starts with
one thing. I don't know why. It doesn't even matter how hard you try. Keep that in mind. I designed this rhyme to explain in due time.
all I know.
Time is a valuable thing. Watch it fly by as the pendulum swings. Watch it count down to the end of the day. The clock ticks life away.
So unreal.
Didn't look out below. Watched the time go right out the window. Tried to hold on but didn't even know. I wasted it all just to
Watch you go.
kept everything inside, and even though I tried, it all fell apart. What it meant to me will eventually be a memory of a time when I
Tried so hard and got so far. But in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all. But in the end, it doesn't even matter.
one thing, I don't know why. It doesn't even matter how hard you try. Keep that in mind. I designed this rhyme to remind myself how it's
Tried so hard.
part of the way you were mocking me, acting like I was part of your property. Remembering all the times you fought with me, I'm surprised it
Got so
things are the way they were before. You wouldn't even recognize me anymore. Not that you knew me back then, but it all comes back to me